Hi, a very good afternoon to everybody. I'm Larry from IMDA with the accreditation team. Before I start, can I have a show of hand? How many of you have heard of IMDA Accreditation or Tech Acceleration Lab? Okay, I see quite a number of hands over here. So thank you. Today I'll be sharing more about this program and how it can accelerate your product adoption. Of course, Willowmore is IMDA accredited. So, for the past 9 years, IMDA has been actively investing in growing the next generation of tech company through two programs. Firstly is accreditation and then Spark. Our target company are not mature tech giant, neither are they very young, early stage startup. In fact, we are sourcing for innovative tech company such as Willowmore, who are disruptor in the industry and have a sweet spot with a ready product and looking to scale their growth in Singapore, the region, as well as globally. These companies can be trusted because IMDA has conducted due diligence in 3 different aspects, mainly technical, financial, as well as operational. The reason for doing this is to provide buyers with the confidence as well as the assurance to adopt the solution for their business needs. Today, we have more than 190 companies on board our program, and I'm happy to share that Willowmore is our portfolio company under accreditation since 2021. So, I'll dive a little bit further into how technical due diligence are done to give buyers the product assurance. Firstly, we work with the companies to understand their product, how it works, and identify what are the unique value proposition. Basically, what makes them stand out. Based on our evaluation back in 2021, Willowmore are strong in this area. And the last columns basically features new capability since accredited, where they evolved from an asset management system to an integrated FM platform, where Joseph will be sharing more or experience yourself through the demo. So back to how we actually validate the product. First, we would usually formulate a test plan which cover all the 5 key areas as you can see on the screen. Functional stability, performance efficiency, security, usability, as well as reliability and maintainability, right? So what we do is usually using test account from, in this case, Willowmore, to validate functional in their WM Sense Hub, conduct market research, as well as interview with their customer, right? And then we will do a conduct and validation of code scan, penetration test report, performance report, as well as compliance check against government security policy, as well as industry best practice, right? Lastly, we'll do an identification of usability improvement and feedback to the company for their consideration, as well as enhancement, right? So with the technical team, we would also understand their internal process, such as their development process, code management, approval process, CI/CD, as well as the tools they use to ensure that the lights are on, right? So after the company is accredited, after passing the due diligence check, this slide illustrates some of the common challenges faced by buyer to try out product to evaluate their needs. Firstly, where should I host the solution? For example, due to data sensitivity, the solution may need to be hosted in GCC, government cloud, which require lengthy process to seek approval from the internal IT team as well as the procurement process. From the enterprise perspective, there could be concern regarding uploading company data into vendor test environment. So the question is, wouldn't it be great to have a solution to address these challenges? Okay. I would like to introduce our Tech Acceleration Lab, in short TAL. TAL is an initiative launched in 2021 to support our portfolio companies with the objective to accelerate POC as well as product adoption. We started off with the government POC and replicate the success to TAL Enterprise in 2023. So proud to share that we have accelerated more than 100 POCs since launch. So this slide basically provides an overview of the technical support for innovative tech startups such as Willowmore. On the extreme left, starting from accreditation with due diligence and product assurance, in TAL, depending on the buyer, we conduct advisory workshop as well as architecture review to review the deployment architecture according to government standard and the industry best practices. So once completed, companies can deploy their solution in either one of the sandbox, which allow them to conduct immediate POC with the government buyers as well as the enterprise user. Users who have tried our portfolio companies in TAL value product and deployment assurance that IMDA provided. Our portfolio company value the help that we give in bridging the gap. I trust you have a better understanding of what it means to be IMDA accredited, and together with TAL, how it can accelerate your innovation journey. So you can find out more about our program by scanning this QR code, or feel free to approach me and my colleague after this session. I will end off by calling out that Willowmore is an accredited company in our portfolio and will enjoy all the benefits that I have shared. So please do reach out to them for your specific use cases. Thank you.